happy morning, girls. Okay, as you know, in our previous classes, we are discussing about the concept of the Taylor's theorem, and we are discussing about the applications also, right? So yesterday we discussed two problems. I didn't give any homework to you, right? And today I am going to discuss some more problems, and after that I will give the homework. Okay. Now here the question is expand sine xy. Okay. In powers of x minus 1 and y minus pi by 2. Okay, x minus 1 and y minus pi by 2. So up to second degree terms. So here it is enough to take that second degree terms. So that's why first of all I want to write the formula, and after that we will calculate the required values. Okay. So now here f of x comma y is equal to f of a comma b plus 1 by 1 factorial means simply 1. That's why here x minus a into dou f by dou x at the point a comma b plus y minus b into dou f at the point a comma b by dou y. Okay, and what they mentioned up to second degree. So that's why plus 1 by 2 factorial into, here what I get, x minus a into dou f at a comma b itself. Okay, and a dou x plus y minus b into dou f of a comma b by dou y whole square. Okay, here I am not taking the term theta. Okay, sometimes you can, and simply they ask that they are not asking any formula. If they ask the formula, then you have to take in terms of theta. Here simply they ask that the question, that is expand. Just we have to expand. That's why I am taking like this. Okay. Now I am taking it as an equation number 1. And now here given that f of x comma y is equal to sine x y. Okay. And here x minus 1 means here the value of the a is equal to 1. And y minus pi by 2 means the value of the b is equal to pi by 2. Now first of all what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the f of a comma b. That means f of 1 comma pi by 2. Okay. Then simply sine of x is 1, y is pi by 2, sine pi by 2, sine 90 equal to 1. So now here I have the value of the f of a comma b. Okay. Now here I have to calculate dou f by dou x. Now dou f by dou x means differentiation of the sign with respect to x. Then cos x y into, here what I will with respect to x now. So then we will get into y. Okay. Now here, and next one is nothing but dou f by dou y, which is equal to again cos xy of x with respect to y. So it is x. So now here dou f by dou x at the point 1 comma pi by 2. So x value is 1 and the y value is pi by 2. Then cos of 1 into pi by 2 whole square, y square no? Now, and the next thing is nothing but here what we get, cos 1 into pi by 2, that is cos pi by 2, right? Whole square we get. Cos pi by 2 is nothing but it is 0. So simply it is 0. Next again here dou f by dou y at 1 comma pi by 2. Okay, so then what we get, simply again we will get the same thing, x into cos xy. Okay, and of course here we will get that simply y into this one. So y is nothing but pi by 2, otherwise clearly pi by 2 into cos pi by 2 is 0, so which is nothing but 0. Okay, now here x is 1 and cos of again same thing pi by 2, which is equal to 0. So now we have that the dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y is equal to 0 at the point 1 comma pi by 2. Okay, so next I have to calculate the second derivative, that is dou square f by dou x square. Now here this is nothing but dou f by dou x. Now I have to differentiate it with respect to x. So then y, cos y is nothing but minus sine x y into y. Okay. So now here at the given point a comma b, then what is the value? That is minus pi by 2 into sine. Here again it is y square. So simply pi square by 4. Okay. Sine x value is 1, y value is pi by 2. Now minus pi square by 4. Sine pi by 2 is 1. So minus pi square by 4. The next value is nothing but, now the next value is dou square f by dou y square. Now here I have the value, that is x into cos xy. Now differentiate with respect to y. Then x into cos is sin xy minus sin xy into x. So that's why here x square. Now at the given point a comma b, then the value is nothing but minus of x square. Value is, what is x square here? Simply 1 square sine of pi by 2. Now minus 1 sine pi by 2 is 1. So minus 1 simply. Next what I have to take? I have to calculate dou square f by dou x dou y, or dou y dou x. You can calculate anyone. Now dou x dou y means differentiate it with respect to x. Then x into sine minus sine xy with respect to x. So we will get that y. So x into y here. Now at the given point, the value of this one is minus 1 into pi by 2 into sine pi by 2. Sine 90 is 1. So minus, here what we get? Pi by 2. Okay. Here I have each and every formula. I mean each and every value. Now what we have to do? Simply edit them. Therefore we can write here clearly, we have to write dou f by dou x equal to dou f by dou y equal to, what are these values? Both values zeros. So simply it is equal to 0. Next dou square f by dou x square, which is equal to minus pi square by 4, and dou square f by dou y square equal to minus 1. Then next dou square f by dou x dou y equal to minus pi by 2. Clear? So this is nothing but required values we calculated, and now here what we have to do? We have to substitute all this. Okay, and here f of a comma b is also 1. That means f of 1 comma pi by 2 is equal to 1. So we have each and every value to substitute. Now simply we have to make the substitution. So from equation 1, what we can write? From the equation 1 we can expand the whole square form, and we have to substitute the values. Okay, so now here f of x comma y sin xy equal to f of 1 comma pi by 2 plus x minus 1 into dou f of 1 comma pi by 2 by dou x plus y minus pi by 2 into dou f of 1 comma pi by 2 by dou y. Okay, wait a minute. Excuse me. Sorry. Okay, the next here we have that 1 by 2 factorial means 1 by 2 of, now here x minus 1 into dou f of 1 comma pi by 2 by dou x. Okay, of course I am expanding this one, dou x square. Okay, and here x minus 1 whole square. Then next plus y minus b whole square. B value is nothing but pi by 2. So y minus pi by 2 whole square into dou square f at 1 comma pi by 2 by dou y square plus 2 into x minus 1 into y minus pi by 2 into dou square f by dou x dou y at 1 comma pi by 2. Okay, so finally we have the required values. Now I am substituting sin xy equal to f of 1 comma pi by 2 is nothing but 1 plus x minus 1 into dou f by dou x, at this point is 0, plus again here y minus pi by 2 into 0, okay, plus 1 by 2 of x minus 1 whole square, and dou square f by dou x square is minus pi square by 4, okay, plus y minus pi by 2 of dou square f by dou y square is minus 1. So into minus 1 plus 2 of x minus 1 into y minus pi by 2 of what is this value? That is minus pi by 2. Okay. So now clearly what I am doing is 1 and this entire value is 0 plus 1 by 2 of, here what I will get? Simply whole square means minus whole square means we will get that plus. That's why here pi square by 4 into x minus 1 whole square, and here minus actually here directly minus pi square, already we calculated this one, and here minus y minus pi by 2, okay, and here we have that into minus pi by 2 to get cancelled, therefore we have that minus pi of x minus 1 into y minus pi by 2. Okay, so now clearly 1 minus common, then simply pi square by 2 fours are 8 of x minus 1 whole square minus, so here minus of 1 by 2 of y minus pi by 2. The next here minus pi by 2 of x minus 1 into y minus pi by 2. So is the required value. Now okay, otherwise here still you can substitute that, expand that, here it is whole square. Okay. So here you can expand that a minus b whole square form also. Otherwise it is enough that 1 minus pi square 8 by x minus 1 whole square minus pi by 2 into x minus 1 into y minus pi by 2 and minus 1 by 2 of this one. So we have the correct answer, which is equal to sine of xy. Okay, therefore now what is the expansion for this sine xy? This one. For the two terms. Okay, so like this you have to calculate the values, otherwise expansions similarly. Okay, now here I am going to give some problems, okay, and of course I will discuss few, and after that I will give some problems as a homework. Okay, so now here the next question is, okay, I am going to discuss one problem and I am going to give another one as a homework. Okay, so here simply they are asking to show that sin x sin y. They are asking to show that sin x into sin y equal to, okay, I am reading the question, xy minus 1 by 6 of x cube plus 3xy square plus y cube plus 3x square y sin theta x into cos theta y. Okay, where 0 is less than, theta is less than 1. See here, they are not mentioning the f of x y value, and they are not giving the point also. So for this one simply we have to calculate each and everything, right? So and clearly what I am going to do is nothing but I have that simply f of x comma y, okay, equal to, here some value I have that xy minus 1 by 6. So we can guess that 1 by 6 means 1 by 3 factorial, right? So we have the third derivative, up to third derivative. So what we have to consider? We have to consider the value of the n as 3. Okay, and next the functional value is nothing but sin x and sin y. And the next thing is nothing but we have to take that the value of the x and y as a 0 comma 0. Here they are not mentioning, no. So that's why here I am taking that Simply the value is nothing but a comma b values are nothing but 0 comma 0 because they didn't give any term x minus a, that means x minus 1, x minus 2. We don't have any term like that. The meaning of that one is x minus 0, y minus 0. That's why a equal to 0 and b equal to 0. Okay, now here. So, by the hypothesis means given information f of x comma y equal to sin x into sin y. Okay, and here f of a comma b is equal to 0 comma 0. Okay, a comma b point is origin and a comma b is equal to 0 comma 0. Now firstly we have to take that let f of x comma y equal to, in terms of theta they are mentioning, that's why here f of x comma y equal to f of a comma b plus x minus a into dou f by dou x at a comma b plus y minus b into dou f at a comma b by dou y. The next plus 1 by 2 factorial of x minus a and dou f by dou x plus dou f by here okay, clearly I am mentioning the point also a comma b and plus here y minus b into dou f by dou y. Okay, and it is whole square up to third term because here we have that x cube and y cube. That's why plus 1 by 3 factorial of x minus a into dou f, and here we have to take that the functional value is somewhat different. That's why what we have to write here dou f of, what is the point ma? Simply the point is a plus I gave the formula, so in that formula we have that the point is nothing but a plus x minus a into theta, the next b plus y minus b theta by dou x. Okay, so like that we have to consider. Yeah, so now next plus y minus b into dou f by a plus x minus a of theta comma b plus y minus b of theta by dou y whole cube. Okay, so up to third term because here I mentioned that n is equal to 3. Okay, now here a point is nothing but 0, that's why f of 0 comma 0 plus x minus 0, that means x dou f by dou x at origin plus y into dou f at origin by dou y plus 1 by 2 factorial of x into dou f by 0 comma 0 by dou x plus y into dou f of 0 comma 0 by dou y whole square. Okay, the next plus 1 by 3 factorial of x into, here what we get dou f of a is 0, 0 plus x minus 0. X minus 0 is nothing but x. A plus x theta. A is nothing but 0. So now here x theta comma b is 0. Again here also b is 0. So what we get y into theta. That's why y theta by dou x plus y into dou f of x theta comma y theta by dou y whole cube. And this is the equation number 1. No need to consider all this because we have to substitute the required values like a and b and so on. So finally we have this equation. Now here I have to calculate each and every value of this equation number 1. Now firstly I am going to calculate f of 0 comma 0. That means sine 0 into sine 0. That means which is equal to 0. Next dou f by dou x. What is the value of the dou f by dou x? Differentiation of sine and sine x with respect to x. So sine x derivative is cos x into sine y. Now what are the at origin? What is the value at origin? Cos 0 into sine 0. Cos 0 is 1 but sine 0 is 0. So 0 again. Now here dou f by dou y equal to sine x is as it is and derivative of sine with respect to y. that is cos y. Again at 0 comma 0, then what we get? Sin 0 cos 0. Sin 0 is 0. 0 into something is 0. So now first order derivatives are zeros. Next what we have to calculate? Second order derivatives. That is dou square f by dou x square. Okay. Now dou square f by dou x square means here with respect to x, no? So cos x derivative is minus sin x into sin y. Okay. So at origin simply it is nothing but 0. Now dou square f by dou y square. Then what we get? This one. Sin with respect to y, no? So that's why cos derivative is minus sin. That will be sin x sin y. At origin simply it is 0. Now here dou square f by dou x dou y. Okay. Dou x dou y means with respect to this one dou f by dou y, we have to differentiate it with respect to x. Then what I will get? Cos x into cos y. Now cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is again 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. Finally we have one value for this one. Okay. Next I am going for the third derivative. Then dou square f by dou x cube. Okay. Then what I will get here? With respect to x, no? So minus sin x. Derivative is sin x derivative is cos x. So minus cos x into sin y, which is equal to 0. Next, for this one with respect to y, we have to calculate dou cube f by dou y dou x square. Okay, now we have to differentiate it with respect to y. Then what we get? Minus sin x into cos y. Now what we get? Simply sin 0 is 0. 0 into something is 0 again. Next, differentiate it with respect to x and y. Then dou square f by dou x dou y square. Then what we get? Minus sin x derivative is cos x sin y. Then what we get? Simply we will get the 0 again. Next thing, dou square f by dou y cube. With respect to y we have to solve. Then minus sin x into sin y derivative is cos. So that's why cos y, which is nothing but sin 0 is 0. 0 into something is 0. Next we have the remaining value, this one. We have to differentiate it with respect to x and with respect to y. Then dou cube f by dou x square dou y equal to dou x square means differentiate it with respect to x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x into cos y. Again it is 0. But here, see, if you are observing clearly, we are getting all the terms are zeros. Why? Because we are substituting at the given point. But we have to find the values in terms of theta x and theta y. Now what we have to do? Simply same thing we have to do. Right? But in the place of x, we have to take that x theta and y theta. So, I mean, while substituting this one, you have to get. So, according to that one also, you can consider the formula in terms of theta or in terms of constant. Okay? Now, for this one, simply it is cos. Okay. Now, which is equal to. So, every term we are getting 0, no? So, that's why here actually we have to calculate at the point that is x comma theta. That's why here minus cos x theta and sin y theta. Okay. Now, here minus sin x theta and cos y theta. Now here minus cos x theta sin y theta. Now again minus sin x theta cos y theta. Next one, here we are differentiating this with respect to x and with respect to y. Now dou square f by dou x square dou y. Then what we get? Minus sin x cos y, which is equal to minus sin x theta cos y theta. Okay, now finally we have to differentiate this with respect to y. Then dou cube f, here dou cube by dou x dou y square. Now which is equal to cos x and cos y derivative is minus sin y. Okay, now I have to substitute that x equal to x theta, that is minus cos x theta into sin y theta. Okay, we have that the final all values. Now we have to expand the equation 1 then simply we have to substitute. And finally we have to prove this one. Okay. So now here f of x comma y equal to f of 0 comma 0 from equation 1. Okay, plus x into dou f by dou x. Okay, already I calculated, that's why I am writing directly. Plus y into dou f by dou y at origin. Okay, plus 1 by 2 factorial means 2. A plus b whole square. That's why here what we get, x square dou square f by dou x square plus y square dou square f by dou y square plus 2xy into dou square f by dou x dou y or dou y by dou x. Here I calculated dou x dou y. Okay, now this is finished. Plus 1 by 3 factorial means 1 by 6. Actually why I am taking means in the given question, I mean they asked to prove something, no? So they gave the RHS value and LHS value. And LHS is sin x into sin y. And coming to the RHS we have 1 by 6 only. That's why I am taking directly. A plus b whole cube. So a cube, that is x cube dou cube f by dou x cube plus y cube of dou cube f by dou y cube plus 3x square y dou cube f by dou x square into dou y plus 3x y square dou cube f by dou x dou y square. Okay, this is nothing but the formula. Now here I am substituting the required values. F of x comma y means sin x into sin y. Okay, now f of 0 comma 0, that is 0 plus x into dou f by dou x is again 0 plus y into dou f by dou y is nothing but 0 plus 1 by 2 of x square into dou square f by dou x square 0 plus y square into this one again it is 0 plus 2xy into cos x into cos y. Dou square f by dou x y value, dou x dou y value is nothing but 1. Okay, next plus 1 by 6 of x cube dou cube f by dou x cube, that is minus cos x theta sin y theta. Okay, plus y cube of dou cube f by, sorry, this is dou y cube. Dou y cube is nothing but minus sin x theta cos y theta. Okay, plus 3x square y of dou cube f by dou x square dou y. Okay, so it is nothing but minus sin x theta cos y theta plus 3xy square dou cube f by dou x dou y square. And here if okay, I will give the clarity about this one, minus cos x theta sin y theta. Okay, and here we know that we can write this one as a dou y into dou x square and a dou y square into dou x. So we calculated all those also. If you observe clearly, these two are same and these two are same. Okay, so now finally here I am erasing this one. I substituted all values, okay, all the required values here. So now here simply sin x into sin y equal to 0 and 0, 0, same thing, right? Now 1 by 2 of 0, 0 and here we will get that 2x. Okay, plus 1 by 6 of x cube minus, okay, minus x cube cos x theta sin y theta minus y cube sin x theta cos y theta minus 3x square y sin x theta cos y theta. Next minus 3xy square cos x theta sin y theta. Okay, so now here 2 get cancelled. We have that xy. So if you observe the question, in that they gave that the first value is nothing but xy. Okay, and simply plus 1 by 6 of, now here what I am doing is, in every term I have a minus. That's why I am taking minus common. Clear? Next, cos x theta sin y theta, where we have this and this one are same. That's why I am taking cos x theta sin y theta common. Then x cube plus 3xy square, because already I took that minus common. Next plus sin x theta cos y theta common. Then I will get that y cube plus 3x square y. Finally, we have a required answer. If you observe clearly, we have to prove that xy minus 1 by 6 into x cube plus 3xy square cos theta x into sin theta y or y theta plus y cube plus 3x square y sin theta x into cos theta y. So it is a very simple thing, ma'am. Just we have to write the formula, and if we know the formula clearly, then simply we can substitute the required values. After substituting the required values, simply we can calculate each and every term value, and after substituting all those, finally we will get the required answer. Okay, so this is the procedure, and I will give them some problems, and we will discuss some applications also in the next classes. Okay, thank you girls. I hope it is clear to you, and if you have any doubts related to these applications of the tailors, then you can ask me. Okay, thank you so much. Have a